Hey, I see the calendar thing.
Nahaw. Ani bojo kinawea. Manoma kwa Giizis, Migo Twendam Gibajaya Mampi, Nishnabek Nation Giizisoo-Mzinigan and Anishinaabemowin Kidwanan. Bigashmanoyayak. I hope you're all well. Happy February. Migo Twendam Jeannette Commanda Be Kinamage Young Nongom. Thank you for joining us today to teach us, Jeannette. And Miigwech Bajayan to everybody, or Bajayak to everybody for coming to this webinar featuring Anishinaabemowin words and phrases from the annual calendar. Ali Darne and Dishnagaz, Gitigan Zibi and the Bandagos, Anishinaabemowin Inigan Zikanang, manager and Dao, Anishinaabeg Nation, Donjanaki. I'm Ali Darne from Garden River First Nation. I'm the Anishinaabemowin manager here at the Anishinaabeg Nation. The Anishinaabemowin Department was launched in January of 2023 to support language preservation, reclamation, and revitalization. We also work with Barbara Nolan, Anishinaabemowin Inigonwadod, our language commissioner, and the Enkit Majikwi Abzi Tong Anishinaabemowin Committee, the Language Revitalization Committee, supporting language advocacy and reclamation. Nahau, Gintam Lori, Malba and Kitang Lori McLeod Shabagijik. I'm going to turn it over to you now. You can tell us more about yourself and Giizisoo-Mzinigan. Nahau.
Oh, Wewena Bojo Kinawaya. Chmigwech Gibajayak, Lori McLeod Shabagishik, Dishnakas, Chiging Donjaba, meanwhile, Nipissing First Nation, the Bendagos. My part of my role today is to recite the Ngurwe Wanguzit Anishinaabe. And as you may be aware, that we recite this at Anishinaabeg Nation at all of our meetings. And it's a beautiful proclamation about who we are as Anishinaabe people and how we are connected. The images here are these pictographs were gifted to us by the late Shikeba, Gordon Wandabens Ba. Excuse me one second, please. Shmiwech. These beautiful images were gifted to us by Shikeba and, tell the story of Ngurwe Wangazit Anishinaabe. Anjpadon? The Benjagad Gi son Anishinaabe and a king. Gibidagun Gadanim and Ado Wadzuin. Creator placed Anishinaabe on the earth along with the gift of spirituality. Shkude Nebe Ake Noden. Gibidagostanan we Nagadawendamong. Mampish Kagamagang. Here on Mother Earth, there were gifts given to the Anishinaabe to look after: fire, water, earth, and wind. The Benjagea Giminan Gitchatwa Windaguk, Anishinaabin Wanagdum Jin Nindanishwaswe Kinomadwinan. The Creator gave Anishinaabe 7 sacred gifts to guide them. They are Zogidwin, Debwewin, Manadendamowin, Naboakawin, the Badindiswin, Gwekwazuin, Minwa Akadeewin. Love, truth, respect, wisdom, honesty, and humility and bravery. The Benjagek Kimin Guna Dedbenwe Wenagada Wendawin. Creator gave us sovereignty to govern ourselves. Kamna Dendana Gabe Juebak, Minwa Nango Megwa Ejuebak, Minwa Geabe Wan Ejuebak. We respect and honor the past, the present, and future. Chmigwech, and that's our preamble to the Anishinaabeg Nation Constitution as adopted by our Leadership Grand Council in June 2011. I just wanted to share a little bit with you about the calendar. We are very proud to release our 5th calendar. We can't believe that we've been able to produce 5 calendars. We've been so lucky. As you know, sometimes funding is tricky for Anishinaabemowin, but we've managed to get this out there, and it's also available online, free of charge for downloading. And the beautiful artistry. Anishinaabe Mesnabiget awa mshikekwe. Our artist is Turtle Woman. Autumn Smith, the Joganashi knows win. Her English name is Autumn Smith. Adik Ododaman, her clan is the Caribou clan. Magnetwan Shkunaganing, the Bendogze, Minwa Megwada. She is from Magnetawan First Nation, where she currently lives, and she teaches us an Anishinaabemowin teacher. So we are so very proud to have her work as the cover for our calendar this year. Miigwech, Charlie, kita.
Nahaw, miigwech. Uh, Miigwech, Jeannette Jeannette. Jeannette, I'm happy that you're here, and to introduce you, Jeannette Commanda was born on Manitoulin Island, specifically Birch Island, to Teresa and Gus Jocko. She was the second born to them. Both sides of her grandparents spoke the language. She grew up with two great-grandfathers, one who lived to 109 and the other lived to be white-haired, and went to school in Birch Island and then to Spanish residential school. Jeannette married a Commanda from Serpent River First Nation. She lived in Toronto for 30 years and then came home for her mom, who had become ill. She's since been there and has worked with Nagda at the beginning stages with 7 First Nations. She took courses to become a teacher and graduated with high standing at Lakehead University in Thunder Bay, Ontario. She was hired at the North Shore Board of Education that turned into the Algoma Board and retired for them only to be hired part-time at Huron Superior Board for 6 years. She also taught 2 years at W.C. Eckett High School here in Blind River and worked at Serpent River on a part-time basis till September of last year. Now she's trying to retire, and we've got her here with us today. We're so glad that she was able to contribute to this year's Giizisoo-Mzinigan and for joining us today to share phrases for Giizis. We're going to turn it over to you now. I'll advance the slides, and you can go over all of these things that you shared with us in the calendar. Much tada.
Tamdash ngamachta mina
Yeah.
Giizis kedwinen kweshgan ken on kwaksadon shitun. Actually, we should turn this around. Kwaksadon shitun we kweshgan ke. That's the way it should be going. Make bread or scone by the fire. And this one is done by a flat stone that's right against where the fire is burning, and it gets hot. Then you put your dough there. There you go. Kwaksadon shiton. Mio. Mi obġinik jan sidojn dax minnom, ix għu għu Aha, mio. China, għu għu kukġiġ għiġ għat għijawn. En għu għu ġigi wam, dan we miso cook maga gaba we bo I don't gangi kenji gisam gwam winin meno pigi kishis bakdo king nin we nage nin nok mis bam migash chiget man the kim nagase one damnan kipi nan no can go sing na ba si yan sa doon bishki si tot man da jin mi jina kina gana jud ma ba dam na we bobi kendish kis ga knan dish minanu tem gat go bamam gigo de skim de singiten on next one again the kazian go kikwish toin bo mi mandam nagsige when apchishgum nog me nashgogi nags bigsige begi shikinji tagi bin tote meno abdeko nena tegun abdek mi gas gana kasot ki ishitot shkude mi dashnu bungyu gana kasot mi we bin chigazado apchigogi ne shinaganan kiwat ni shuge ni apchun dachtim sugna gainan danan ki sipaneo we no show up Giizisoo-Mzinigan, me gashinawo kugegi gikan taugen go, no kmeski ton question, me no bob, me shurigi no mekyo, tat kamekna gashinago sang, gimme junk go, gidep sinimen go. Na ha anston me no. Kinashwo Commanda wisnem. Oh, kenogi bishao gaben the wisnage kishpin ken me wong or the young sis walked of carni. Me go give quip queshcard, me should give me das mustard. Paneshko gishchgade nibna meechem. Me when go de qua bevinige when you keep me wisnet or the genin me gashin tagen one geni. Mish minoga pigashko wisne, kenuna wigashko wisnet. Migi giges bistigeo. Kenashungi natamad me gunda kewu gabishat gabuisnot, keep a shaw kuge no, keepin pinchigeo, kenuges bistigeo. Mishno no, mirpinam nakshik mino give me wisna. Dinushuna tingi o minapi. Kina manda gibin çıgadek manda geç beş gamek. Yeshu megin bang minwa. Bino chi kuna. Koko koshi kungi nondona. Aha. Ninok de skino. Kino kan gå egen kiuk. Panego ya do man söy. Sis bakdavo. Minogi psan kiuk. Kitashka seo mishminoi. Kegan on dan on suna mino Anishinaabemowin Nick in the cause what to so we skismis geat ma me de enjish chadek mand tamge mand gishpin mand san dashgas gadek mandaglan nongo shinao kai mand kan kasino pa Menongo bono, mi man de gene kasien, mish minot mushneb doin minore. Keno abde kanapo de nigan. Mish minogi kostiga de gen, when shwi bat tem gakyu mino, when it skasga piwi. We na kaswade, the sepi, sis bakdo kan. Nongo shiwa. Dachi chgadem gat kunan go nong you kegoma toat mashkuding you and dachi adi when man the sun and chip me chimskadegen when is na stop wo jishna ke gusake cook chip ma chipskis ma to so sis bakadaw na Mishkego pin up to give na sem got your pigar gan. Which is back to cat. Ki kung sense to keep me bagam beso. Me give it ko what is the sibing sing. Mishkoge ni no de gishon benochi ke ugi machina nanek. Kin sabay oxuge noge. Mishigo. Gibina nanek tushki mishkewi kin kino mun dog nochi ke nochi bin tot jibin not no gigonsed mishmeno dimai gi sasko kolatne apchego gimna sasko kolane apchu gimna posokyo ni shuga vikanga stosi gast gana Gashinen man usge no gashichka wogdwenik magan gut no wema gashuni nasap shises no geni shichkan ke abadish gogi spagnegam gad ya ossa gon pigi yaung kai no go shreps no gip masse men go an mandasgna kisheba kapchu kip kumika Aptishko wen give map to menu. Pishigo na quick, Kaiginishes no, migum nogish. Kinak say no the optishunagi. Kigish kojgade, non good non you get a gun. Me would a pitch Usuna Kega gumukman gishayam gadu gishpin shibap sein with the pio pima bagun nim gizzard. Up to shungu nonch dimwegi kirgam gamma makab masse si pi mirasa the bug neck jibona quick me when minar set to go. Be the sugar Gasha Kenaman Gani, Kishapetaka masse or the sigid get you going. No, Mishigo Pimina, Quemga Kainish no, it must say. I should not have eketed. Minno Zagid win Gish got the scheme and now met them got Usapi. Gegar Mishkeni P the Bishkai, Usapi should say me, minimum the mamma up to gain a shimaba, no see the kegi shot Benochi. And where would you just do it with? Ha, Pishak Gordon game scored. Me man, they got what the man would sir, Urgashe book, give up tongue, get you good. Up to him then, those and go along, you should score them in ma. Me, you know, spinny. Maxensen, ja, biska, men apčunagi bažos, best, men ašvungi, gip mubsam en gode, ugna ni sakseang og det, ni sakkeang, men vet du inn med det beang, ska inn døn massinani, dabanes, men ugna miknodnen, gana kasjam, men gip mubsam, men skjøde, up to him then dogs up in no cheek your pee, chickisha. Up to Shangi Bisanya, men pee meshkola quick. Mishkem on the February, Makwagis a song, go do de geese, win geese got no good tem with Shagnash Nabachki tona de guy guninwe. Mishur no way shwebok. So go to Maggie's got Nabach pee. Squad Maggie's got on me piece sem look you. Gibajos Bismendish Usa Pigan up Chuginishin Gunupi. Gimnen Dogsumen. Gimnen Dogs the young, Kenoge Golden Gishich Gamen. Ginishin Sunagi young, or this is Bakdo Canning. This is Bakdo Conning. Kaingi skon was semen up, pingit up negomen or we machin gong, much gonna go in a moe, knomage, quamish, gimacham up shungim, and dogs in gimacham. Kaingi skon was semen, we're not to the rush skon around with them, demoem and I get cut. Cannot walk long wash it scan. Egel gish to man. Cockadon. Get them cook me dastan the shigana cause young sipenochi guide them we not tot them ishagash me wong me cause young when is gives him school on him is one do we one why yam gak nan go no ginishes no mishimino gianchton mishno gishton pamagi gishna wokem pocket me give get no and the money mishitam now. Naha Gawin we keep almost a sea get you going piggy me not quick. Ashwo man the git about done with Nicky, the nigga and even man the gay go wicked. Mishman the Shanashim, no one walked on the snow when it was close to noon. I already said that previously when I was talking, but just to let you know, the snow is not like it used to be. It used to be quite high and we had lots of snow, but it was not as cold as it is, but it did get cold during the night and in the morning, and it warmed up by 11 o'clock. And we talked about in the language. Gawin we must say, see get you going, piggy bim not quick. Done that. Es namen ook met give gebesk me o this is back to calling and nijo megis got the shooting gi amen up chungim and dogs men o the p mi man de kim nok mek mi o de gi Mitoshmanda she's back to conning gashin cardamom sugar shack. Guy na sugar gayons in oil. We're gonna 10 by 20 maybe he said it you soon. Would again bong. Mino would have good name on the king, ni on the king, near the countries now, me go the shopkin is gonna get take mishmino de swin boggin and get 10 on. Me should again bong. Guy being in bossy and chicken. No, Benoji get the we begun bought. Dim women know ya can't see canoe shit to no sis back with the more now. Kega na up to the bakut na bashigi out na the kishi thought me shmande is our only sis back with gishich got a up joke to the kit cut it. Guy gave mum down chips kadem gukyo up. They go negach mande shichgade negach kushnubach mande shop kisgun tede kodem magegna ya. Wasuna esh beat yok chikekok mino up chugi kim de dokyo. Kiwaye okay guy wogi. They're not made of tin. They were made of heavy iron. Me shop chushnagi chishna kyok and it was beach what it took niche ninoki dapanan on pimandui dapnigadek mashkodek. Me should the swing mandagi take gaba we nigshidem gake negach the Keep him scoring dodgy on Manda sis bakut kek pishkumanda ginashana what the Rausis bakut to some brown sugar up to Schwiegnat. Non good known munch issued to win either Zygon and Gishitchgaden on the Inskitchgaden on in a muffin pants. Mimagi Tim Gucken, Michigan Gashana, okay. Begish on. He's got negadik we na castle mino. Mishu panega kidding on Bessie's walk the conning shoda. Let's go to the shirka. Shuman git about that niche the Maggie's got that tigi giscuts miss okay no and that migan migeno gosh the bob the mot. Up chiginishin she's bakadavo usum ching ich bin auch schmeschein. Guy up to she's bakdavo ausen on bishwanai tugna magiga etek after mandas kwasek man nishna megishka kishbit sona megishka ja in that me guy nishes no gab unite them bisha in kwasit she's bakdavo midjun up chugum nap midjun is nishna megishka Gishbinde stappenemen. Mishkuman penem de moega kede gishbinda penemen. Jitoin nibishabu nakasian surs is bakadabo. Shkiki un game. Midashkuga min guang, besuna benochin aoyang. Sushkinta abju wist up jury. She's bakdabo up chuna dim nogme. Mishkipin ochi kinagam nequari. And we can them tome. And we can get them tome no the we want me singish Miurashin the cost to Miurasher evoke gishpin the queen. The school night Shana Shimunania get kidding. If you were given something, so you need to go to the washroom to clean up miga garden rom jagadek mad. Me who that skintam Skikiwan gaong. Naha mimena. Sis magda bogi nakas no ni bishabu gishigade. Mi gode nishu na me gishgokiyan mi watugam ni kwang ni bishabo. Mishgu kai bishki nakas ka desno mi watu. Asis magda gana kaswat. Kai we kangi kenchi na bishwi nakaswat. Mi wo. Mishkuto. Piga yang rapchungi mesnana ne piga bigiang. Na kai giang suno gya we. Mirangi gwech mi go men panewi chipda mang si ogamede. Anishinaabemowin en agamede. Mina bish nagabu da kendan maskego mi gushash gumande siog medene aon. Gishpin if it's thick enough, gishpin gonna beswag medeke mi nishingu. Abdekyu gid bom jaga dem good kunan good no ani enan dekyu is siog mede. Gibich mandanan ge go nan good no ya pitch go gimnen dawsemin ginan kiangu. Mish minom kweshgan gina kaz yang mish matgi din dap kids mange mish ma gamicha. Naha. Nama what's your mede pisha chgade gap chugun shkona kwekuna mi bjinak mem apchum nama what ma shchgade ke we go messing minogi gona kawdi was on the roof. Me I go full roof yams no apteki gona kade made mishma. The smoke was out there, no guy man the gitai ni sang test no abdeking gote we machi dem gokyu. Mishma no mismag get mino gitsimak ki min go nazis bakdabo we mene kwang pane. Ginan do woman swana digi yang. Mina mimske keo abo gashin kodek. Naha. Oh, didn't know about these. Okay. Extra phases is bigademampi, mishmenoidic, mandagan and king. Nongo gaya no. Today it's not like that. Gi masse me gejigun, we were able to walk on top. Mi jajigi nuksek gun, the icy part was melting. Midaswishebejik sudwagnek meal. Jabona quick, mi jajamagashwebk. Okay. Pamamino getchikishep babitonan with masang magetchigun. Wait for tomorrow again to walk on the snow. Madagizagisis, beginning of the month. Machtame, getting ready. Kikok, pails. And those, they're just not ordinary pails. They're cast iron pails. They're heavy. Negamekwan, spout. Or spouts. She be gasok chikikok. Wanakaswat chibos sagamizwat sees bakadam. Chibos sagamigewat sees bakadam. The big pots are being used to boil the sap. It's better with the heavy iron ones because then you don't burn the sap. Because if you use the tinner ones, you have to watch how your fire is going because you tend to burn the water. For some reason or other, it gets kind of burnt at the bottom. Abdekshu kanakazano ege chipitenda chikikuk. Nenatuguk maple trees. We shigage what? They will be tapping them. Shigage, he or she taps. Shige, sometimes some people will say they've missed that other part, and it means the same. Now, Jige tapping trees, pigish tawat kikuk goes gog jigazuk. Anet miesh chiga nung anet the shoes chip pitenda zuk sugnagu kikuk. Ki an jibison us raigi ki kuchka des no mi wetu de asmat mo ni kengi shwe seto o sukik. She's back dago moshkene gas zuk kikuk. Moshne bigazuk. Tails are filled with sap. Nango nongai gi moshne bi au ukyo. Pangi wetgo anet tigo kimi go up the kikok the shet the gitem gotu sis wakdavo. Ginishin wiwa. Much dawok we skigmegadik. Naha. She's back dabo midjun up chunanan when nogi nub midjun gao bing kit yawns and nogi moshnetum kick. An ginda kendanan na quick on wave nishamen ute kenagit up nigade kusu she's wakdabo kikong adobio mishminogi shine Nieuwbegnek me aan als gumena temgati moshnetom kik op juginishin usun gonna make ish guktam nan would know op jigi wish but maybe shabo. Sometimes the tea was very sweet. And up jigi he's wakadabu yaon skaneskan mi ude cum de muega. Asna we the skaneske. Me do we should tong it because skan asmatum. Miss we one zas kukwadan. Me we guy ega ching fry bread is nikadek. Me go and go kot go sasko kwad me go on the qual got here in question. What go one piece kiawan. Kaneskan small fry bread. Ni eins nan go no sure skanes shin kade guy would skanes. Sasko kwan fry pan. Pinik minos itagne go kosh we aski submitted good. Nan go no minu dan geni mande winanchgan gashu pune. Potatoes and salt pork were boiled. At that time, that's all there was. There was the salt pork was very, it looked like a big slab that my grandmother had. I don't know where they got it. I never see it anymore. It's only a little piece you ever get. But when you cook, kishpins, nakashin salt pork, mava, like tagnige go kosh, mina pinik, good nog, and gonna toy my kikung. Up chugum nog me dem gade. Me skanes kane, me were nishingish wisnin, me would depsinin. Nan go no shi shosh kujimone sakisha chagazo, ke no kash skanes kin kimitsi, me got go shosh doing one is garnishing. Okay. O me no mandesh ne cardiac flour dumplings shosh one. Shosh one is suktishkin in dish ne karnak. Food was tasty at Shercamp, and I think it's because you're outside anyway. And although there's a covered a building in it, but still it's outside. The food tastes better when you're outside all the time. And I think that's why it was tastier. I think. I don't know. I could be wrong. Napagotshwigo medium. Ado biok, they haul the sap, panegon, at least sometimes twice in a day. Mi mandiado biot. Giado bigenana, she's bakdavo and sagishgut. We held sap every day. Sometimes Nijing mandingin and kimen twice a day. Migo that mandas tam gonna make it got on when it's the first week. Mi manda Israel Kajaweb. Naha. As go up to Jesus, it is already in the middle of the month. Good suck sees bakadabo, barrel of sap. Niche good suck sees bakadabo, nakas no, non good no, je thought, ziogmede. Mish mandem anet is kusdort, mi ma I. She's bakut shin, she sebgak, we take. Kishpin medrong she's bakdabo. Nan good no washmen nakazagare ishchgadek si wagamete go menakwajiban. Sometimes a little more is needed to make a gallon of syrup. What suck nakazian me at 1 gallon devenaman. Kai nan good no sky man the ships no. It all depends on how much sugar is in that sap water. Begi shik skutsmis gave that. Skutsmis god even got man the seas bakadam. Nee, Rachman de skutsmis god is we nog McMandas yoga med. Boil sap all day, but it has to be done slowly in order to have a good tasting syrup, is what I added on. Mizawayan Giizisoo no Pimenon Akshik. Kishpinet only if Nibnatemguk is bakdabu, Mimanda Rashweb. Make sure cakes candy in the evening. En Ginishin go no pi Mimanda Gitemguk Gimnasek, you put that a spoonful on top of the snow, and then you had taffy. But it doesn't happen like that anymore because the snow is not so good. It's got too many something's in it. There's black stuff on it. Not in those days. It was good then, but we had fun when we were able to do it. Minoas gem Jesus, the sun is shining, sunny day. Mige kokashweb, apchugim nos ge o sagizes and sagishgat. Mishur gim the second one this is bakadabo. So if you have a sunny day during the day, all the time you're up there, you tend to have a nice sap come the next day. Ke ona we kwigwejum. Oh, mina shashwa. It's not being was awake manigi machim. Wow, that was fast.
That was fast. But
And
also,
I added on so much.
right? You said so much in that time, but it went by very quickly. And so now we're opening it up for questions to our audience out there. If there's anything that you're wondering about, feel free to, you can raise your hand. You can also drop it into the chat over there. Yeah. We'll see if we got some questions. Oh, I thought Lori was going to say something for a minute there, but oh, I see something popping up in the chat here. Oh, Sonia enjoyed listening to you speak. Katie, me too.
What
I
I think there's not enough stories being told in the language. I think most of the new learners would like to hear just the sound of the language. My thinking.
Yeah, definitely. We got some A's in there. I'm mishearing it, so this was a treat. Lots of yeses popping up now to your, learners want to listen to the language. They want to hear speakers speak.
Oh,
And so that was
jeez.
great. We got a lot of positive feedback for that one. Will we get to see the recordings on the Anishinaabeg page? Of course, visit our YouTube channel and you'll be able to find all the recordings over there. I'm trying to learn how to pronounce. I can't catch a lot of meaning, but just to hear it was good. Of course, the slides helped along the way. So, what Jeannette was sharing and talking about was a story from her own, I think, childhood about going off to sugar camp
When
and
you would meet your mood.
the things that would happen at that time. Um, the Lori's noting saying that the link will be sent out to you, but if you go over to our YouTube channel, that's where you'll find them. And Marcy's really great at getting them posted quickly. So by tomorrow, this recording will be up and available for you.
Before we go, Jeanette, I have a question for you. And I remember a long time ago that after a boil, like at the end of the boil and the syrup was poured, the children would line up and each would receive a teaspoon of the residue that was left over because it was so full of minerals and uh, different vitamins and things that were good for you. Do you know what that last bit of the syrup was called? Is there a word in Anishinaabemowin for it that you can think of?
I can't even remember what they thought about, but we did line up. Yes, you're right. We did line up after the end. And I think the residue at the bottom must have helped us because we weren't sick while we were over there. I always thought it was like cough syrup or something like that. It had to have medicinal purpose. And it was only that first week that happened. After the second week, we didn't line up to get anything.
Yeah. Sherry called it niter, and that's what it is in English, but I was looking for the Anishinaabe term. So
Kashin kadın.
niter, but in English.
Niter.
Yeah, that's what they call the end of it. Um, uh,
Hmm.
and you were mentioning, the first sap water, how it is a medicine. I just wanted to share with people that a couple of years ago during the pandemic, I tore both of my retinas, and I had to have emergency surgery, and I was in incredible pain afterwards. And what I did was I took sap water and I rubbed it on my eyelids and just let it soak in, and just it was just so incredible. It was the pain just dissipated instantly. And it was like that moment when you can hear like angels singing. It's so great. And so sap water is really good for people who have had eye surgery or, who are going through chemotherapy, things like that, where they need protection for their eyes. So I just wanted to share that with people before we leave.
No, you're right about that being medicine. It is. Uh, we all had to line up that first time. That first, uh, one of us always had to go and check which one was the sweetest. It had to be the sweetest one, according to Grandpa. Anyway, we did, and we would bring that big pail back, and every one of us would take one cup and drink it. Not, it wasn't boiled or anything, straight from the tree and right from that little pail where it collected the sap. We all had that. And it cleansed your body apparently, and it gives you more energy and stuff. I think we were kind of bad after, we were, we did many things. There was three girls and one boy in when I was growing up. It was Jean, Evelyn, myself, and my brother Paul. So we were the ones that hauled the sap, and that first day anyway. And then we had our medicine. Then she would make the tea, and everybody else would have medicine too. And it it helped a lot, I guess. It was the way of things in back then. And you're right over there about saying something about your eyes. They did use the sap to clean, because my cousin had guck would come out of her eye or something, kind of itchy for her. And that's what they did. They soaked a little clot, and then they put it on her eyes, and then told her to lie down there for a while. And she did that while we were there. And the rest of the year, her eyes were okay. So I guess it works.
Yeah. And I thought it would be sticky, but it isn't at all. It just absorbs really nicely.
Hmm. Yeah.
So we've
Not
got,
an awful lot of teachings in the springtime when you go to the sugar camp with your grandparents. And I was fortunate. I had two sets. I grew up with them pretty much.
so
I
we've
know, and a grandpa to 109, 109
Ah,
years
yes.
old.
You have no idea how that old man used to be. He went blind when he was must be close to 90 or something. Then he went blind. Then and I was kind of lazy, eh? There was a whole bunch of us at my aunt's place, and she would say, "Who's going to look after the old man?" And I always say, "Okay, I'm gonna take him. I'll take him for a walk." So I would take him down to the lake, and there used to be an old oak tree or elm tree, or I don't know, I can't remember. Anyway, I would I would put a chair out there, and I says to him, "You better sit here while I do something." So he'd sit there, and then he would start telling me stories. Today, I wish I had listened more. But, as being a kid, I laying around on the grass there, wasn't paying too much attention. I did hear a few things. I heard him telling us about an airplane one day will take everybody from the community in it, and it'll still have room. I never thought no more about it till when I was in Toronto, and they had that 747 showing at Lake Ontario, and it hit me. Oh, my papa saw this plane already. What the heck? I should have been paying attention. Exactly remember everything what he said, but I do know he said it would take the whole village. And when they said that it would take more than 400 people into that plane, I realized, okay, he was right in one way. So much things that they teach and we don't pay attention. And he had said he was 9 years old when the Jesuits came by and baptized him. So that's why he said, when they started counting my age, they started at age 9. When I die, he used to tell me, you make sure you add those 9 years there. That's how old I am. So we did. So
oh,
he made it over 100, almost 101. So we
wow.
had, yeah, he was a
Elizabeth
wise old
Stevens,
man.
Elizabeth Stevens has a question or has her hand raised. Did you have something you wanted to share, Elizabeth?
We might need Marcy to
You put your hand up again? Oh, she doesn't have, Julie doesn't have it.
Julie doesn't have mics. Well, you can type in your questions or your comments in the chat there if you had your hand up. We got to thank you for your stories and for speaking. I know Lori announced our next webinar, so March 3rd, we will be getting together again for next month's words and phrases with Jacob. It doesn't look like we have any other hands up. So I'm going to, will there be talks about sugaring Yeah, if you check out the calendar phrases next month, they are related to sugaring as well. And Jacob will be joining us and sharing those phrases and talking more about maple sugar and sugaring. I know Marcy had dropped that into the chat as well, the link for the flip book, in case you haven't had a chance to get your paper copy, because the print copies are out in communities at your local band offices if they haven't already been scooped up. We do want to say Giizisoo-Mzinigan to Jeannette. Really appreciate all that language. Wow, that was awesome. I love hearing language, even if it's fast. No. And we
Yeah,
really,
well, it kind of shook me that we went that it was over already.
well, that's how time goes sometimes, right? We were talking about that earlier with Isidore. Time can fly by really fast. And we're very appreciative of your time. If anybody has any questions, they can always reach out to Lori and I. There's our email addresses. Follow us on Facebook to register for either our weekly language classes with Isidore Toulouse or for our next webinar with Jacob Wimmelgwans. And again, I don't see any other questions popping up, so it looks like we're going to wrap
Hey,
up a little
one
bit
more minute
early.
there. Sherry Reckley that was there, if she's part of my grandmother's side, I had a Nancy Reckley and Eli Jocko, and Nancy came from Wiki. And Nancy's sister married my other great uncle, I think it was Dave McGregor, one of the McGregors. And the two Reckley girls married into my family, so she must be part of that because she had a little blurb going there, and she's right. Yes, I must be related.
All right, confirmation then. And we're all related, aren't we, after all?
Oh yeah, pretty much.
No. Aha, Giizisoo-Mzinigan. Chimiigwech.
Aha, Chimiigwech.